I'm out in the garage here again this morning. This video is going to be about the unboxing of the AMT 1940 Ford Coupe. This one right here. So, and it's still sealed up. This is one I bought at the hobby shop the other day. And I was kind of digging through some of his stash there. I happened to see it, so I bought it. But I was curious about when this kit came out and what the release date is and everything. So I'm looking here on scalemates.com, and they give you all the kits, and they give you when they came out and everything. They have a product timeline here, and I want to show you. Looks like this kit started out in 1960, and then if we scroll way over here to the right, this is the one that I have because it has the black lettering. This has the lettering is kind of a maroon looking color. See, my lettering is black. So it looks like this was reissued in 2019, but you can see all the different releases they had on this from 1960. Been quite a few. So if we click on this one, and then it tells us right there, there's the number of the kit, 1141. And if we look on my kit, I saw it here somewhere. Let me get it around here. I'm not sure where I saw it now. Oh, here it is right there. 1141M. And that's what this one is, 1141M. So that said on the website here, it was a 2019 release. The box shows, what is that, 9/18/2018. So, not sure. But anyway, 2018 or 19 is when this was re-released. So we're going to do an unboxing on it. So if y'all stand by, give me a minute, I'll get back over to the bench. All right, now we're back over here at the bench, and we're going to unbox this. It's still sealed up in the plastic, so I'm going to cut her loose here, and we'll see what she looks like. All right. Kind of missed something here on the packaging. It says this is the Retro Deluxe. Whatever that might mean, 3-in-1 kit. All right. This shows you nice blue here. And this particular kit comes with the flathead V8. And it also comes with the, I think it's the 401 nail head. Where did I see that? Somewhere on here. Yeah, 401 nail head. So you get 2 engines with this. That's pretty good. All right. Take a look here. Chrome pieces right on top. Looks pretty good, like those mag wheels in there. There's that grill for the front. That looks pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this engine or not. I'm still messing around. Look at those headers and the pipes made into one. That's kind of odd looking, isn't it? Okay. Here's the nice wheels. Looks like you get 4 stock wheels, and you get 2 drag slicks, and they are red line. They have a red line around them, so they're red line tires. There's 2 steel axles. Here's looks like they give you clear and red glass. I won't be using that red, so that clear is what I'll be using. That's all one big piece there. All right, I'm gonna have to open this bag up here because I want to get a good look at this body and everything. That looks pretty sharp. All right. Well, that's a good looking body right there. I really like that. I like the shape of these 40s. They look pretty cool. Here's the pan, or the interior box. Got the pedals and everything already molded in the bottom. Here's the floor pan, all one piece. Got the exhaust molded in the bottom. That looks pretty good. Boy, look at that. I like those big old fat fenders. That's what I like about these old cars, the big old fat fenders. That's just gonna look so sharp. Painted up. Red line drag slicks on the back. I think that'll look pretty sharp. Here's another bag of goodies. There's a good looking hood. Got all your seats. There's some parts for the engine, one of the engines. Like I said, this one comes with the flathead V8 and the 401 nail head. There's that banjo rear end with the wishbone set up. Nice looking. There's the decal sheet. Doesn't look like a whole lot. I probably won't be using the decals anyway, unless they give you some for the dashboard and stuff, but I won't be putting any on the body. And our instruction sheet. There, right off the bat, shows you both these engines. This is stock engine. That's the flathead stock engine, and here's the 401 nail head. Those instructions look pretty good. Big. Not a whole lot to it, but then again, there is a whole lot to it. Looks like it comes with an engine stand, so if you want to make up one of those spare engines and put it on an engine stand, I think that's kind of like a lot of the engine stands. I've already got one here from one of my kits. I don't remember what this came out of, but you know, I've already got a few of those. But that's the instructions. I just really like that, the way that looks. That just looks so cool. But get the red line drag slicks on the back and the mag wheels, and I'm not sure what color. Haven't even got that far yet. So there's got some of the grill molded in. And that chrome piece I showed you earlier, that fits right in that middle section there, so that'll look pretty good. Put a little black wash in there. That firewall is kind of detailed out pretty good. That's just a good looking car. Really nice. All right. I guess that's our yeah, I'll leave that over there. That's our 1940 Ford Coupe AMT version. And that's probably the way I'm going to do it up, with the drag slicks in the back and the mag wheels. And I'll be painting it one solid color. Don't know exactly what color yet, but it'll just haven't got that far yet, but it's going to be a nice kit. All right, I think that's it.